This entire smartwatch commercial started with one sentence. No complicated editing timeline, no production crew, no traditional storyboard process. Just one idea turned into a fully finished ad inside CapCut Video Studio. Getting started is simple. Search CapCut in your browser, open the official site, and head into CapCut Video Studio. Most of the time, we still switch between multiple tools for scripting, storyboarding, AI generation, editing, and exporting. But CapCut Video Studio on CapCut Web combines everything into one seamless workflow. It's a timeline-free, canvas-based AI production workspace that helps creators move from idea to brief to storyboard to generation to editing to export. No tracks, no clip layers, just an infinite canvas and a prompt box. So today, I'm going to create a beginner-friendly smartwatch product ad from scratch. I'm starting with one simple sentence. Normally, creating a product commercial like this would require scripting, visual planning, scene design, AI generation, and editing across multiple tools. But here, the entire process begins directly from the idea itself. First, I generate a product image from a sentence. Then, using the Seedance 2.0 model, I add that image as a reference and turn it into a video, all inside the same canvas. Now, CapCut Video Studio helps transform that idea into a structured creative workflow. First, we generate a commercial-style brief. You can also freely customize the generated brief to match your own creative direction. The generated structure is already detailed and production-ready, but you can still replace visuals, adjust scene timing, reorganize sequences, and fine-tune the overall high-end style however you want. Everything feels simple, flexible, and beginner-friendly. Once the brief is complete, you can instantly generate a storyboard. From there, you can freely customize the visual style, pacing, and atmosphere of the commercial. Inside this timeline-free AI production workspace, the entire creative process feels much more intuitive and organized. After refining the storyboard, simply click Generate, and CapCut Video Studio creates a polished high-end smartwatch commercial automatically. The workflow feels much more structured compared to prompt-only AI tools. I can regenerate specific shots, refine visual consistency, and keep the entire commercial organized inside one single canvas. For beginners, this makes the creative process much easier to follow and much less overwhelming. And here's the feature no other tool has: one-line editing. In other tools, fixing one shot means re-prompting the whole video. Here, one sentence, one shot changes. Everything else stays locked. That's timeline-free in action. One sentence, one canvas, no timeline, a finished product ad. And here are two more ads I made using the same workflow. A UGC style product ad for a portable Bluetooth speaker, natural energetic scroll stopping. And a TVC-style creative ad for a niche perfume. Cinematic, emotional, premium. All from the same canvas. All timeline-free, all original. No brands, no logos, no copyrighted IP. There's no traditional editing timeline. Everything happens on one clean AI canvas. Intuitive, flexible, and beginner-friendly. Right now, CapCut Web also offers 300+ free credits. Beyond just product ads, it can also be used to create a wide range of themed videos. As long as you have an idea, it helps you bring it to life. And now, click my link to try CapCut Video Studio.